Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Newmark Security CEO Marie-Claire Dweck. Marie-Claire, very good to see you today. You've reported a strong showing for your 2024 year. Could you take us through the financial highlights of the year, please?
Of course, with the greatest of pleasure. Group revenue has grown once again, increasing by 10% to 22.3 million, with key partnership successes across the business and strong performances in both our people and data management and physical divisions. EBITDA also increased by 50% to 2.2 million pounds in 2024 against last year that was 1.5 million pounds. Operating profit also grew and rose to 800,000 pounds from 300,000 the previous year. Cash generated from operations was 2.8 million against 1.7 million last year, and cash in the bank was 1.1 million at the end of the year and a rise from 600,000 from the previous year. So it's been another really solid year at Grosvenor, with top line revenues growth of 6% to 16.5 million, with an improved gross profit contribution of 500,000 to 6.5 million at the 39% margin, so very healthy. And this is driven by a strong performance of the HCM business and our expanding relationship with software partners, where we've significantly increased share of wallet, growing in both the US and the European markets. HCM sales grew by 7% to 9.4 million in the US, matched by equivalent progress in European sales in HCM, the rest of the world to 8% to 4 million pounds. This resulted on a 7% year-on-year improvement in HCM revenues. HCM annual recurring subscriptions grew by 28% year-on-year, with an exit ARR rate of 2.9 million pounds. This is the ninth consecutive year that HCM has delivered positive growth revenue. Headline revenues for Safetell also grew by an impressive 23% to 5.8 million pounds, building quickly on the modest but important turnaround in 2023. Product revenues were up 30% to 3.7 million. The headline growth achieved in service revenue was 11% to 2.1 million pounds. Revenues from service and maintenance with Autodoor and servicing rose to 51%.
Marie-Claire, you mentioned your human capital management division saw rising demand from existing customers as well as new large client wins. How does that position the division for the year ahead?
It places us in a really excellent position. We've got a really strong pipeline for the year ahead, and as we continue to onboard several new customers both here and in the US. We attach services to all new business with existing partners as a priority, and also displacing competitors by offering a sliding scale pricing, driving maximum competitive advantage at both ends of the market for full share of wallet, with a higher quality product attached to premium services.
You say in the RNS that GT Connect continues to be a driving force in HCM's growth strategy. Can you expand on that?
Of course, with pleasure. GT Connect became the central cloud-based solution hub for all our HCM products, already connecting 24,000 devices and serving 9 million monthly clock-ins. Through continuous development, it's become a powerful platform, reducing time to market for new products and accelerating onboarding for new customers. Our use of the open architecture enables us to quickly connect customers, as well as seamlessly embedding all of the new features into customer solutions. This simplicity enables faster conversion of opportunities by enabling us to immediately showcase our technology, working within customers' ecosystems at the outset. It's also worth noting we're using GT Connect to act as an advanced service platform for all our customers, placing it at the center of key HCM operations to provide secure cloud control of devices, services, and biometric identity data.
Turning to Safetell, growth's been strong. You said that revenue up 23%. What's driving that growth?
Gaining market share in Autodoor servicing nationally and regionally, winning new projects with differentiated physical security products, and converting our substantial opportunity and entrance control through great partnerships and references. This includes fast rising screens with banks and screens encounters with retailers, each providing high-profile references as a trusted and established supplier, a factor that continues to be important in business development.
And Marie-Claire, your outlook for the 2025 financial year?
I'm extremely excited and a positive year ahead for us. I believe we have the right strategy, the right team, and disciplined orchestration. So I'm confident we will continue to execute our plan with great success and are optimistic for our future focus on many growth opportunities we have in our sight.
Well, Marie-Claire, I hope you'll keep us updated on any progress with that. Thank you very much for the update today.